In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and load profiles in MetaTrader 5. A profile in MT5 is your complete workspace snapshot. It remembers every chart you have open, where those charts sit on your screen, which symbols and time frames you're using, and even the indicators and drawing objects applied to each chart. Think of it as saving the entire trading desk setup so you can return to it instantly. This is different from a template, which only stores the settings for a single chart. Profiles cover the whole workspace. Templates are for one chart at a time. Start by arranging your workspace the way you like it. Open the charts you need. Switch to the right time frames, and add your indicators and drawing tools. Take a moment to get everything positioned neatly. Profiles bring back exactly what you see now, so it's worth setting it up carefully. When you're ready to save, go to the File menu at the top, choose Profiles, then select Save As. Type a clear, memorable name. Something like London Session or Crypto Swing Setup can help you find it later, and click OK. If you prefer, you can reach the same profile options from the toolbar, or by clicking the current profile name in the status bar at the bottom of the platform. The key idea is simple. Once saved, that layout is one click away. To load or apply a profile, open File, go to Profiles, and select the profile you want from the list. MT5 will immediately switch your workspace to that layout, restoring all the charts, timeframes, and tools exactly as you saved them. For quick switching during live trading, use the Profile drop-down on the toolbar or the status bar to move between saved workspaces without hunting through menus. Managing profiles is straightforward. To rename one, open File, go to Profiles, right-click the profile name, and choose Rename. Use a name that reflects the strategy or market you'll use it for. To delete a profile you no longer need, right-click it and select Delete. Keep in mind that deletion removes the layout from your list, so make sure you don't need it before confirming. One final tip about automatic saving. MT5 often updates the currently active profile as you make changes. If you're experimenting with a new layout and want to keep your original intact, save a new profile first and work in that copy. That's all you need to reliably save, load, and manage profiles in MetaTrader 5. Set it up once, save it, and switch with confidence whenever you trade.